Hello and welcome to Amie Taylor's Beauty Journey. Today I'm going to be doing a butterfly look. So I've been wanting to do a purple eyeshadow look for a while, and I was thinking about mixing some yellows into it. So I decided to look at different butterflies on Google this morning. And I chose one, and I'm going to try to copy it. So I will show you the butterfly that I chose, and I will try to show you the products that I am using along the way. And I think that this is just going to be a very fun look. Yes, I am in my living room today. And that is actually because all of my makeup is currently in my living room, and that's because I am packing for a trip. I'm gonna go back home for a month to Santa Barbara in Southern California, and I'm gonna bask in the sun and lay by the ocean and watch the palm trees sway in the breeze, and I get to see my family and my friends. I'm super excited to get out of the Oregon rain. Maybe I'll get a little bit of a tan. I really need some vitamin D. Alright, so I'm going to be doing my eye makeup first because I like to do my eye makeup first when I'm doing bigger looks, or when I'm doing looks that are going to be a little bit more dramatic or take more time, because then there's more of a chance for it to disturb my skin makeup. It's better to apply your skin makeup afterwards if you're going to be doing a big eye look, because then you can outline the eye perfectly with your skin makeup afterwards. Whereas if you do your skin makeup first and then you get powder on your cheeks throughout, or sparkles on your cheeks, or if you mess up your cat eye, then to fix that you're going to have to disturb your skin makeup. So that's why it makes sense to do your eye makeup first in cases like this. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so I just added a little bit of this Becca Skin Love Brightening Eyeshadow Primer, Brighten and Blur, because this stuff is really nice and creamy. I like it because it doesn't dry as fast as the Milani eyeshadow primer does. But the Milani eyeshadow primer has a tint in it, whereas this one is more transparent. So I mixed them so that I would have a tinted, creamy primer that wouldn't dry so fast. And right now I'm just buffing out that cover up that I put underneath my eyes, the concealer. I really like that stuff from Revolution. It has a nice brush applicator on it, and it's really nice for my skin tone. It's a little bit yellower than the rest of my face, so it really helps with the dark spots and the discoloration that I have around my eyes. So let's move on to eyeshadow. Okay, so I know that I sort of look like a dragon right now. What I'm doing is I'm just following the colors on the butterfly's wings. I'm looking at it over on my computer right now, and so the top has a lot of yellow and light green, and then the bottom has a lot of dark green. But there is sort of like a darker outline on the top too. So I'm just working out of that, and hopefully it'll look a little bit more girly and butterfly-y and less dragon-y when I'm done. Let's see. So that white that I tried to put in the corner turned out like a bluish gray because I didn't clean my brush first, so I'm just going to redo it by taking it off with a Q-tip that's wrapped in a baby white. Okay, so I'm finished with my eyeshadow and my eyeliner. I'm gonna do my mascara after I put on my skin makeup because I don't like it when the powder gets on my mascara. Okay, so I'm actually going to use a little bit of this shimmery liquid eyeshadow from Koki. Okay, so I'm thinking that sort of a nude look is going to look best, so I'm going to be using like a, this is sort of the same color as my natural lips. This is from Wet n Wild. It's just their regular lippy pencil. So I think I'm going to use this Melted Too Faced lipstick. It's a liquid lipstick and the color is nude. So this stuff does really match my skin tone. Okay, so I'm all done with that butterfly look. I feel like a beautiful butterfly. I feel like I turned from a caterpillar into a beautiful, colorful, sparkling butterfly. So I'm gonna go do my hair. As you can see, it's been drying this whole time. And I will come back when I'm done. Alright, so I've done my hair. I feel all glamorous now. This look was experimental. I'm happy with how it turned out. I had a lot of fun doing it for you guys, and hope that you enjoyed it as well. I do feel like a beautiful butterfly. I'm gonna go to Rite Aid now. So I'm sure that I'll get a lot of looks while I am out. But, you know, I needed some practice just doing some colorful looks and doing some big eye makeup looks. And so I thought that this would be a good, creative, fun video to make. Alright, I hope that you all have a beautiful day. I am going to flutter away. Bye-bye. Mwah.